If it doesn't seem original, it's not interesting to us, or if we've already done it, we don't want to do it again. If we know someone else has done it, we try to go a different direction, or at least multiply it tenfold. We're always looking for what's novel about this and what is our contribution. So if you think about almost any industry, there's been an interest to make things smarter, transform, be more aerodynamic, change performance, etc. And mostly we've used robotics for that. And what we're interested in doing is trying to put that directly in a material. So the material has the ability to transform and change shape for many different product applications instead of the need of having super complex or expensive robots. We don't want to make incremental progress, we want to make radical leaps. So it is often about originality, but making clear and radical contributions. I think as a kid, one thing that stands out is I played tons of sports and I was always drawing and building stuff. And I was never the best at any of it, but I think there was a moment when I realized that if I just worked harder, then eventually I would be better. And so I think I've kept that in my mentality that I'll just work harder at the thing that you're most interested in doing, and eventually it'll pay off. But it also takes a certain amount of luck, and you have to find a way to know that you got lucky and also sort of like engineer luck. Like be there when you're gonna get lucky, and if you do, take advantage of it. And so you have to kind of be passionate, be driven, and get lucky.